Hello, good morning, friends. It's Dr. V.M. Tidke from Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Department of MBA. Friends, today we are going to begin with unit number 2 in decision science. So, unit 2 is basically talking about the specialized application of linear programming problem, that is, transportation and assignment. So, our unit number 2 is based on the application of LPP in the form of transportation and assignment as a special LPP models. So, our unit 2 talks about transportation and assignment, and hence in today's session we are going to learn introduction to transportation. So, at the end of the session, every student will be able to understand the concept of transportation. Friends, transportation is a very commonly used terminology that we are knowing, and to us, in a layman language, a transportation is movement of materials from one point to another. But as you all know, in a factory, there are multiple workstations, say Department 1, Department 2, Department 3, and so on and so forth. And hence, in a process of manufacture a raw material to a finished good, there are multiple activities that do happen. But if you are not scientific in ensuring the supply of goods and services at various destinations as and when they are required, that might lead to increase in cost or decrease of market production or efficiency of an organization. So, in an organization, it is very much essential to have the success of transfer of materials from one point to another. Similarly, in a big company, the market is spread all over the world, and the demand points and the manufacturing points or the supply points are not close to one another. So if the demand is not getting fulfilled at the right point of time, it might result in loss of business. So for example, if there is a warehouse of a company located at Delhi, and if the company is having a demand largely from the southern part of the country, say Tamil Nadu or Kerala, then to ensure the timely delivery of materials from Delhi to Kerala or Tamil Nadu is something which is going to impact onto the organization's sales and thereby profitability. So, a transportation is very much essential for a company to have a scientific approach onto, and somehow by doing the same, you can succeed in making your business operations or to enhance your profit by minimizing the cost. So, a transportation model is simply a special type of linear programming problem model intended to establish a least cost route for the transportation of goods from the sources, say factory, to its destination, say warehouses. So, in simple language, a transportation model is an approach whereby a mathematical understanding or a statistical understanding will be used to develop the transportation solutions. The industry application of transportation model, as I said you, in manufacturing, in supply, in ensuring the 3D and 4D of logistic systems in an organizations. So I hope there's a simple way to understand the transportation model. Kindly list down any 5 areas whereby knowledge of transportation could be utilized to solve the real life business situations. Thank you for watching the video. For any queries, you can contact me on the below mentioned details. Thank you. Have a nice time.